Hello, we're going to demo the GRPC service that I built, and to do that, first we're going to run our GRPC receiver server, which is the Ruby file that starts up our server. As you can see, it's running on 127.0.0.1 port 1701. We also need to start up a PubSub server, which we're going to do with this script here, and set up the topics and subscriptions in that PubSub server using this script here. And let's see, give it a moment. Boop, boop. There we go. Okay, PubSub emulator setup complete. Now, to demo it, we're going to first go look at our let's go look at our events that are in the database, and you'll see that there is nothing there, right? Because we haven't run anything yet. Count is 0. But now if we do use BloomRPC to send some data from our defined in our protobuf file, okay. So notice it doesn't return a response from the service, but it does publish it here, message published asynchronously, and also PubSub server here shows that it would detect the connection. We can also now go to MongoDB, and if we do a count, we'll see there's one item, and here it is. This is the event that we just showed. One thing you'll notice is that one of the events, the event key, is defined in our proto, but we decided not to use it as part of the service. And there's also this parameter Ruby message, which was added in GRPC. Was not added in GRPC, was added in Ruby. So now that we've shown that works, let's try and get our response from the PubSub server. So this is Postman. We're going to do a GET request to the PubSub server. Doop, and I put, oops, that's not what's supposed to happen. It's a post request. That's why. Try again. There we go. Okay. So here's our data, and notice that it is a bunch of gibberish. But if we post it into a base 64 decoder, we get receive event, which is, as you notice, the same event data that we send right here. We're also passing the actual event from the protobuf itself, the event defined by the protobuf, that is, here, which is what is defined here in attributes event, although here it's just shown as a string representation of the object ID as opposed to all the data itself, but it's mostly just a proof of concept anyway. So there you go. That is a conclusion of our little demo. Ooh, that was cool. Conclusion of our little demo, and ta-da. Hope you enjoyed.